Your Excellency, where do you see the main opportunities for better business cooperation between the states and Slovenia?
Well, I don't have any specific ideas. That's really up to the businesses to sort out. What I want to try to encourage is that there be more contacts and more investigation on both sides. I think in the United States, the embassy is in a position to help give Slovenian businesses points of contact where they that they can follow up on to see where they might be able to sell or invest. Slovenian businesses are very innovative. They're cutting edge in a lot of areas. They have a lot of innovative products that I think are in great demand in the United States, or would be in great demand if the United States knew about them. So I hope that we at the embassy can do something to help with that. On the Slovenian side, I think there's already a great deal of interest on the part of U.S. firms. And I see my role there, in addition to helping them make contacts, also to encourage the government to sustain its effort at reforms and privatization that will create a better and more positive business environment.
In your opinion, how could the TTIP enhance and facilitate the cooperation between the states and the European Union, and thus with Slovenia as well?
The discussion in TTIP in Slovenia, I think, has been focused on a couple of rather narrow issues, which arguably are not really issues at all, but I'll get into that a little bit more in my speech. But where TTIP can really help is in lowering tariff barriers. There's still some. The U.S. and EU have removed many of those as a result of certain agreements, but there's more work to be done there. But especially on the non-tariff side, when you look at certifications for car parts or electrical things or other manufactured items, frequently products have to go through a certification process in the EU and then a duplicative one in the United States. Both the EU and the US put these processes in place in order to maximize consumer safety. So the objective is the same, they just go about it in different ways. If our experts can sit together, which TTIP would enable, to talk through some of these issues, then it could reduce prices and make trade much easier between the two economic units.